Hi everyone, and thanks so much for joining me again. Today I'm going to be working on another sketch in my summer nature journal. I'm going to be doing a flowering plant today using my Neocolor 2 water-soluble wax pastels. This flower is actually called a ground orchid, and we have a lot of orchids in South Florida, but this one is interesting, and I didn't even realize it was an orchid until I took a picture of it and then I looked it up. So I'm doing a very expressionist style, loose and expressive painting on the right of the entire flowering plant, and then I'm going to do a close-up version of the actual flower on the other page of my nature journal. My nature journal is sort of a relaxation type of activity for me this summer. I'm trying to experiment, work very quickly. I'm trying to work every day in my art journal, and I'm trying to draw and paint new things that I haven't ever tried before. So I hope that you'll enjoy watching me as I create this very loose and expressive painting in my summer art journal, and I hope that it inspires you to create yourself.